Everybody wants to become a content creator in 2026, but most people will quit in the first 90 days, not because they are not talented, nor they don't have ideas, but because nobody showed them the right way to start. If you have ever thought, I want to start creating content, but I don't know where I will begin. What if nobody watches me? What if I fail? Then this video might change your life. Because today I'm going to show you step by step how to become a successful content creator. A smart way, even if you are starting from zero. And make sure you stay until the end, because step 6 is the main reason most creators never grow. What does it really mean to be a content creator? Before we talk about camera and platform, let's fix something. A content creator is not just someone who posts videos. A content creator is someone who solves problems, share ideas, build attention, and turn value into influence. You are not just posting, you are building a digital real estate. Some people think you need expensive camera, perfect English, big personality. No, what you need is just clarity. And that brings us to the first real step. But before I tell you that, let me ask you something. Why do you really want to become a content creator? Is it for money, fame, freedom, impact? Your answer matters more than camera. Because if your why is weak, you will quit when views are low. And trust me, views will be low at first. So let's build this correctly. Step number 1. Choose one clear direction. This is where most beginners destroy their growth. They post motivation today, comedy tomorrow, tech the next day. The following week they are posting about business. That's confusion. And confused audience don't subscribe. Instead, ask yourself, what problem do I want to be known for solving? On Grow With Kelvin, for example, we focus on helping content creators grow. This is clear, specific, and focused. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be specific. For example, fitness for beginners, student productivity, small business growth, faith-based encouragement, YouTube growth for small creators. Pick one lane. You can expand later, but in the beginning, clarity builds momentum. Now here is the mistake that kills most creators after choosing their niche, and this one hurts, which is step number 2. Stop waiting to be perfect. Let me tell you something very powerful. You will never feel ready to become a content creator. Your first video will not be perfect. Your voice may shake. Your lighting may be bad. But post anyways. Because content creation is a skill, and skill improve through repetition. Most people consume content for 3 years, but create for 3 days, then quit. If you want to become a successful content creator, you must switch from consumer mode to a producer mode. Ask yourself daily, what did I create today? Not what did I watch today? Now listen carefully. This next point is where real creators separate themselves from hobby creators, which is step 3. Choose your platform wisely. You don't need to be everywhere at the same time. You just need to dominate one place first. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Each platform rewards different behaviors. If you like long teaching, YouTube is for you. If you prefer short, fast content, then short platform works for you. But here is the key. Do not choose based on hype. Choose based on your strength. If you hate dancing, why force TikTok trends? If you love explaining deeply, why limit yourself at 30 seconds? Pick one, master it, then expand. And here is the part nobody tells you. Platform matters less than consistency. Which brings us to the most uncomfortable truth. Your first 50 videos are practice. Let me free you right now. Your first 10 uploads on YouTube or any platform is for practice, is to train the algorithm who you are. You might upload up to 50, even 100 videos before your videos start getting recommended, before you start even seeing results. Because all those videos you have been posting, they are not perfect. They will not perform very well. They are just being used for training. So stop expecting viral success after uploading your 10 to 50 videos. Instead, ask, did I improve my delivery? Did I improve my editing? Did I improve my confidence? Every video is a read, just like gym. You don't go to gym once and expect results. You go multiple times before you can start seeing results. Sometimes weeks, sometimes months before you start seeing the results. So after uploading all this video, you start seeing results. Maybe in your case, might be around video 30, even 50 or 100 before you start seeing results that are coming. From there, your confidence shifts, your clarity improve, your audience understand who you are. That only comes if you don't quit. And now we need to talk about money, because I know many of you are thinking it. Yes. Now, how content creators actually make money? Let us remove the illusion. You don't start with brand deals. You don't start with AdSense money. You start with value. Because real monetization comes from attention, trust, and authority. Now, let's talk about ways creators can earn. The first way creators can earn is YouTube monetization. After meeting your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hour, you will be eligible into YPP, where you can set up your AdSense and start receiving money per view or per 1,000 view that you have on your video. The second is brand sponsorship. A company can reach out to you for you to advertise their product and you get paid. The third is affiliate marketing, where you talk on product you have been using and you put the link there. People go there to buy. Okay, let's say you're advertising a book that is in Amazon store. You bring the link into your description. Someone clicks that link. Immediately the person buys that book. Amazon pays you a commission. The fourth is selling digital product, where you sell your own digital product or you sell for somebody. The next is coaching, where you teach people what you have learned so far. Like now, I have a one-on-one coaching where I review your channel, tell you the things that are not working, what you need to do for you to improve. Yes, it's for a certain amount where you come and you pay, then we check your channel, tell you what are not working, what you need to do so that you can get your 1,000 subscriber and get your 4,000 watch hour fast on YouTube. The next is courses. You can put courses. You can create a course on Seller and then put your link there. People click the link and go and buy your courses on Seller. The next is community membership. This one is only eligible for people who have met up the monetization threshold, the 4,000 watch hour and the 1,000 subscriber. Those are the only people who can make money through this community membership. So now, listen carefully. Money follows audience. Audience follows value. And value follows clarity. That's the order. If you chase money first, you will burn out. If you build value first, money will follow. And now, here is the biggest reason most people never succeed as a content creator. Remember, as I earlier said, that step 6 is very vital in this video, which is the emotional discipline. This is the real secret. Nobody talks about this. Content creation is an emotional warfare. One day you feel like a genius. Next day you feel invisible. Like, let's say you post a video today. This video gather momentum and it hits 20k views, and you post the next day, stay on that same topic, it went down to 10 views. The next day you post, it went to 100. You post the next day, it drops. So it is an emotional warfare. You need to know how to handle this, because if you don't know how to handle it, you will burn out and you will drop, you will quit. Low views will test your confidence. Negative comments will test your maturity. Slow growth will test your patience. You must detach yourself totally from your view count. You are not your analytics. Growth is delayed but not denied. The creators winning today, they definitely stayed longer because consistency beats motivation. And if you can master this one thing, you are already ahead of 80% of beginners. So if you have been thinking about becoming a content creator, this is your sign. Not next month, not next year. Start this week. Even if it's messy, even if it's imperfect, even if nobody watches at first, because the only creator who fail are the ones who stop. If this video helped you, comment below, I'm starting. And if you want to grow faster and avoid beginner mistake, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any time we drop a video like this. Every week, I come here to share what actually works. See you on my next video here.